Hello players, welcome to my Minecraft Survival Let's Play with my friends. This is only part 3 and I made some progress on this game, so expect to find more progress. So what are we waiting for? Let's get to the video. Okay. This is my bed that is always occupied by villagers, so I made a contraption with this bell, so if I ring it like this, the villagers will get out immediately. So okay, this is my chest where I put my items, and I crafted an iron ingot from 21 iron nuggets. So guys, I will craft another spear if Josh joins. Okay? I promise that because he's my friend. So let's spread this out. So what can I craft? What can I craft from my items?
I don't know.
I think let's go sleeping. Okay, get out and I will sleep. Okay? So guys, I will summarize this. So I built wait 2 zombies, 3 zombies. Okay, let's fight this. I'm super strong. Okay. Let's grab that. Let's kill that. Kill. Okay. Died. Okay, let's go. Where is that? Oh! You think you will score, but you won't. Okay, let's kill this. Why are you scared of getting in the land? Why are you always in water? That is my question. Why are you always in water? You're just a coward. Let's go. I will summarize this. I get firefly bushes from over there, and I made this memorial park for Golembert and his brother and Horsey. So and I made some Easter egg over there. So guys, over there. Okay, so let's go up here, and let's go up here. Wait.
Okay.
Go up here and destroy this. Let's go. This is the Easter egg. I just an Easter egg with a sign. And let's make some shout out for my friends.
Okay.
Do support me in my videos. Thank you for the support, guys. And let's make some shout out. Shout out to Michael. Shout out to Paulo. Paulo W. Michael. You are always been there from the beginning to the end, even though it's not end. Shout out Kurt W. Kurt. Shout out Renz, W. Renz. Shout out Josh, even though I will not write that because he's already here. And I guess that's all. Let's go. Let's cover this up so no one can see that. Okay? Let's make another shout out. Shout out to Lord. Also. Okay. I will not write shout out to Vladimir and shout out to Dominic because they will join this server, or at least I hope they will. So let's go over here. And guys, guess what I did with that well? And I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Are you sure? Lock in the answer. Okay, I took the bell and I made an secret underground shelter or underground for attacking of the villagers or the raid of villagers. I can hide here. Oh, shout out to, guess it. Shout out to my classmates. Shout out. Always watching my videos. Thank you guys. Appreciate the support. And I love you guys all. So I guess with that done, let's go over here. Okay. Let's go up. Or this is my crafting table and the lodestone for other memorials happening. Let's put some flowers and okay guys, let's go up. Let's go up and place the dirt here. Oh, the dirt. Okay, comment down below if my lag is getting less, or say W in the chat. W. Let's get carrots. Carrots from this farm. Let's get these. And also wheat. Thank you villagers for planting this. I will expand it once I get Super Pro Max, Reversal Dane Pro Max, fully paid. I mean joke. You get it? Laugh, please. Okay? Sorry for that cringe. So, this is the dandelion. Let's put it here or here or here. Yes, perfect. Let's go. So guys, I will cut this video because I will gather some resources, but before that, let's show my advancements from this to prove we are not cheating. Okay, let's go back to the game. I will cut this to the... Okay, let's get some flowers first. Okay, let's... Oh, a silhouette. I will cut this to the resource gathering. Let's go! We cut some trees. Okay? 3, 1. Let's attack this. Okay, you're dead. Let's go. Let's kill this sheep. Wait, yes. Get that. Let's get the sheep. Another sheep there. Get that too. Let's eat some carrots first. I'm done with my tree 1. I'm getting some other trees. I'm finding a tree. So that this video won't be too long. Let's go. Okay. So that we kill that sheep, I will cut this to 3-2. And we're back. So guys, this is how you switch to offhand to main hand. Press F on the hotkeys. So this is 3-2.
Okay.
1, 2. Okay. Let's go. This is 3-3 by Joyce Gilmore. Let's go. Another 3. And let's... Oh, 2 pigs. Let's get that. We need food, and much food as possible to avoid starving to death. If you know, you know. I like more food because the bees angry. I thought for a second the bees are angry. So let's go. Another pig. Let's go and get these. I like food because it helps us from the beginning to the end of this game. So this is gonna be kind of hard because my friends are not here, but we will get used to it very soon. Okay, let's go. Let's go up here on the mountain. Let's go. So guys, I will go to the village now because it's getting dark. Okay? Ooh, a cow. Let's get that. We need that. We need that. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get that. So guys, I hope you like this video because this video is going to take much long. It's like a 1 hour video, I think. 1 hour. So I hope you guys get comfy, relax, and enjoy this video. Okay, let's get this. I will do so many things today in this part 3 because I haven't posted in a while. So expect to find what happened. Okay, let's go down, I guess. So what am I talking about is this video will get more and more, like many things to do, I guess. I will make something and many things will happen, as I said. Okay, let's sleep. Okay, let's get that. Let's go. Easy.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Let's eat the carrot. So, okay. Let's get this skeleton. Why are you hiding in the pond? You are afraid of sunlight, aren't you? Well, I'm here to end your filthy, suffering life from this world of Minecraft. Get barbecued. Nice. Let's get this spider too. You're a threat to my empire. Should I call it the Empire Birth or Birth Empire? You will know the meaning of birth just later. Okay. Oh, 2 strings. Let's go. Can I get this? Nope. Can I get that? Nope. So guys, I will be exploring this and crafting a bow. Can I craft a bow? Where is the bow? Oh, here. Oh, we need 3, bruh. I need 1 more to craft a bow. I guess we will need to grind much more. So, guys, I will cut this because it's getting longer. I will cut this to the part I'm exploring the world. Well, take a look at that. We have more firefly bushes here that help us from the beginning to the end of this Minecraft survival let's play, even though it's not the end. So let's go and get these. Gonna be long, bro. Let's go to the other island. It's swimming. This place is very beautiful. Let's not cut that because my pickaxe is getting destroyed or broken, whatever you call it. I'm very sad. Super duper sad. So let's explore. I think I will explore this game if my friend Josh will join or other friends, so I have a company. Okay, let's go back to the village. So okay, get back. I'm on my way. Yeah. Let's go. I think it's getting dark, or no? I really hope that my friends join because all the episodes they will not join because they are busy making schoolworks. I understand that I'm busy too, but But, you know, I'm Reversal Dane. Ha 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 ha. So, guys, let's get these chickens using the spear. The spear is very hard to master because I don't really know how to master it very well. So I will need some practice. And let's get this torch. And let's explore more the world of villagers, or as I call, Birth Empire. So if you have name suggestion from the Empire, comment down below. Okay, let's... Oh, whoa. So many coal. I just realized. Let's get these. Let's get that. Wait. Yes, sir. We got that. We got so many coal. We can now cook peacefully. I guess we are always peaceful, but more peacefully because we won't use our resources to build, just to cook food. Even though I got carrot, which is already good. So let's get to my empire main base. This is the main base of my empire. I guess I will protect this village no matter what cost. Not only me, but with my friends and maybe you guys if you join. So let's put the flowers here. Let's make a line of firefly bush, one after another, and I will cut this when the final product is done. Let's go! I'm back. This is the final product. I already lined up that, and let's terraform this land. I'm gonna flatten it out, of course, without my friend. I hope he joins as fast as possible. So let's terraform this. I will make something. Okay, let's remove that and put that in there. Let's expand the pattern. There. Yes. Let's go. I hope this is getting more enjoyable later on. Let's craft. So guys, I will build my base and our base with my friends. Can you guys guess what I'm building? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oops, I'm not gonna say it. It's the element of surprise. You would see it later. Yes, we crafted that. What crafted? I meant build that. Built. Not builded. Built. Let's expand it. Let's go. We are making our first base. What do you guys want to call it? What do you guys want to call it? Comment down below the perfect name for this. So guys, I'm out of cobblestone. So this is gonna be hard. No cobblestone left. I guess we'll need to craft like stairs, or no. Let's terraform this. Terraform it. Terraforming means like changing the form of the land on this side, or it can be long, it can be short. Let's craft some stairs. So it's already night and villager is sleeping again. So let's sleep so we can build our base again. So we crafted some stairs and I accidentally placed it here. Let's say goodbye to my iron wings. Iron big. What? This is it, the pickaxe, I guess. Sorry. Iron Axe Bert. By Iron
Okay.
Axe Bert. By Iron Axe Bert. Oh, you will be missed. You will be missed, Iron Axe Bert. As I said, you will know the meaning of Bert later. I like the sounds because it's very relaxing. Without Spotify, I guess. Let's replace these two cobblestones. Let's go ahead and place that. Let's go. Let's delete that. Delete that. Let's go. We are making so much progress. Let's make the doorway or the passageway, whatever you want to call it. So I'm figuring out what design should be fit in this build. So I guess I will make like this arc, like this. Yes, I am now seeing the like that. Nope, not like that. Is this good or no? Like that? Nope, not like that. Sorry guys, my brain is processing what design to use. So is that good? That looks lame. That's so lame. I need to get a better design because my empire is cool. Not like that one. Like that. No. Not like that. Like that. No. Like that. Death. I will keep that, but I will renovate the design so it looks more cool, not lame. Let's grab some stairs, and let's get back to work. Like that. It looks very long. Not good. I need something that is not long, but still cool. Okay, let's get going back to work. Let's craft some bread. Only one bread because I'm poor. And what should I craft next? Should I craft... Oh, lodestone is so expensive. So let's craft some... Can I craft on stairs or no? So guys, this is the exterior of the base we are building. So let's craft some doors to keep it protected, and let's put it there and there. Yes, we have doors on our empire. Let's go. Let's expand this so I can connect it to the house over here. Let's expand it. So let's connect it right here. 2 and right here. Yes. We have, I don't know, I think we don't have enough cobblestone, so let's make a makeshift cobblestone farm right here. Even though I don't have, oh, Josh Benedict, my friend, has joined. Let's go. Yo. Okay. Yo, what's up?
Yeah, boy.
I think bro is AFK. Let's go to, wait, I can't get out. Okay, break this. Let's go to him. Hitting means greeting him. Okay, let's hit.
Okay.
Hey, yo, what's up? Actually, this is his first time appearing here, so yes, this is officially the first time Josh has made screen time. I mean, he the first time he showed his avatar. Bro is looking at my masterpiece. So, let's ask him, can you collect cobblestone? Oh wait, can you please collect cobblestones? Okay, and for our empire.
Yeah, boy.
So yes, I think that's all I would ask him.
Okay.
So okay, let's continue. Okay, this is okay. It's kind of long. Where can mine? Here. Okay. Thank you for joining, Josh. You are now getting a job. Just kidding. Bro has already joined me and the Empire, or as I call, the Birth Empire. PvP. I think I'm just kidding. Let's show him the memorial. Look here. Okay, let's put a door. Hey, look here. Yes, come inside the Memorial Park of Golembert and Golembert version 2 and Hersey. I'm just teasing you. Sorry. Just kidding. Bro has like, okay, I'm gonna continue building. Okay, let's go and continue building. Back to game 9. Okay, want a spear? Please collect some cobblestone. I really need. Oh, we got 14 cooked mutton. Let's give him. Okay. Oh, bros aura farming. I can make my own. W Josh. That is your price for aura farming. Hey, here. Get this, bro. Okay, and now get back to collecting cobblestones for our build. Ooh, look at these guys. Aura farming, Sigma, W villagers, staring contest. Yo, this is my first time. Bro, look at the villagers. They are literally aura farming. Staring contest. Wow. Ooh. Look And why are you sleeping in my bed? Get out. Get out of my bed. Go inside their houses. Ooh, look at that. Bro is aura farming. Emperor Josh. Emperor Josh. Bro is aura farming. Bro is literally aura farming. W Josh in the chat. Sleep. We need to sleep because it's already getting dark and we... Okay? Let's go. I think bro is lagging. So let's get back to the work. I think. Let's put... Can I get sa cobblestones now? How much? How many? Or how much cobblestone now? Okay. Okay. 40. Wow. Bro is locked in. Wow, bro. Oh, bro left. I knew it. Bro is lagging. Bro is literally lagging. I'm all alone again. Now, bruh. What should I do? Because there's no cobblestone. I guess I'll get my own cobblestone then. Get some cobblestone here. I think maybe 1 stack and a half or only 1 stack. I'm preserving my pickaxe like strength. So let's collect these. So yes, we need so many cobblestone or many cobblestone, and so I can build my empire build, or as I, that is just the smallest build of my empire. So be prepared to see more and more like bigger builds than that. So yes, let's just collect a stack. Yes, let's get that and let's build our like empire. Let's just go here and look at the villager here. Let's put that here and here and there. Yes, I am totally connecting it to the house of the villager. Let's get the stairs. Because, oh no, R.I.P. Axebird. Oh no. I guess, ouch. I guess you have no Axebird now. This is for the Axebird. W Axebird for Iron Axebird for guiding me to this. Okay, thank you Axebird, W Axebird, Iron Axebird in the chat, in the comments. Comment down below if any suggestions you would like to recommend. Let's, ooh, Powerful Master, chill. Paparazzi. Let's go. I'm a Powerful Master. W Reversal Day in the chat, in the comments. Powerful Master, you get it? Let's decorate it now. Here and another one down that. Like this? Nope. It looks ugly. Oh, I don't have an axe because my axe broke. Okay, let's craft an axe. Where is the crafting table? Just took the crafting table. Bro just left and took the crafting table. So I'm gonna craft a crafting table because it's just easy to get. And let's craft that and let's go. We have another one. So let's craft. What should I craft? The axe. Go. You have an an stone axe. R.I.P. Axbert. Iron. Oh, that looks pretty good. Let's connect. Oh, bro joined again. Let's ask what happened. What happened? Why did you leave? I think bro is just lagging. Oh, it connects. It connects. It's just rearrange. Nope. It's facing this way. Oh, I knew it. I knew it, bro. Oh, okay. Let's go. My friend is here again. Finally. Oh no, that looks pretty bad. Let's rearrange it. Not like that. But like that? Nope. It's just repeating. Like that? Like that? No, it connects. It connects. Maybe like this. Yes, like that. Let's go. So I will craft some more stairs. I think I will craft from the crafting table. Let's break this. And ooh, bro got an upgrade, and he got his avatar back. Let's get copper from this. I only need 3, but I'm gonna smelt 14. Okay, let's go to the pickaxe broke. I mean axe broke. Let's smelt the copper.